Welcome to BIZ News by Panasonic Connect Europe. We are glad to have you watching us on a new episode. We have some exciting news to share. – 2026 celebrates the launch of a breathtaking, brand new rugged laptop, the Toughbook 56. Designed for real-world field operations, the new Toughbook 56 is built to balance durability, mobility, and performance, designed to support professionals who work beyond the desk. The Toughbook 56 rugged laptop combines strong performance, advanced connectivity, and an ergonomic design in a versatile mobile computing platform. Let's see the details. Digital transformation is reshaping manufacturing across industries. Deltec Group has fully digitized its production, from material inbound to final assembly. And together with Panasonic Connect and partners, Deltec has implemented an end-to-end digital production system, including advanced material management based on just-in-time and just-in-sequence principles, seamlessly connecting goods receipt, warehouse logistics, SMT and THD production, and both manual and final assembly.
Deltec stands for High Quality Electronics from Germany, for automotive, medical technology and industry. With digitalization, we are making our production fit for the future. We were challenged to make material availability and traceability in production both efficient and transparent. Without a central system, it was difficult to measure KPIs and OEE. And unstructured warehouse processes made production planning and preparation a real challenge. Together with Panasonic Connect and its partners B4C and Mevix, we have fully digitized our entire production process, from material receipt and warehouse logistics to SMT and THD production, all the way to final assembly. The software solution enhances our existing infrastructure, with machines supplied by Panasonic for more than 25 years. Our partnership with Panasonic marks a strategic milestone for us. It enables us to bring our vision from concept to customer to life with digital precision. In doing so, we not only create transparency for our customers, but also achieve operational excellence across our processes. A key part of this transformation was the introduction of an intelligent material management system. This is where the PanaSim software and the Mevix storage tower came into play. With various PanaSim Mevix functions, such as the Real ID, we can clearly label materials, track them seamlessly, and even reserve them, from goods received to the machine throughout the entire production cycle. The Pick by Light feature instantly shows our employees where the required material reel is located, saving time and reducing errors.
Our solutions have a direct impact on customer benefit. At Deltec Group, we see how our technology helps automate processes, create transparency and ensure quality, all in real time. Our new SMT line features high-precision machines such as the SPG2, the NPM W2, WX and DX. Together, they enable flexible and scalable production with outstanding speed and reliability. In addition, our odd-shape placer, the NPM VF, supports the new automatic THD production. The TBD software from our partner B4C is fully integrated into this THT line, ensuring reliable traceability throughout the process.
With automated KPI generation, we have full transparency of our production performance at all times. Metrics such as OEE and first pass yield are calculated continuously, providing a solid foundation for targeted process optimization and quality assurance, especially in highly regulated industries like medical technology and the automotive sector. The digital transformation at Deltec Group is more than technology. It is the base for future-proof production on more than 30,000 square meters. At the same time, it is a promise to our customers. Maximum transparency, the highest quality and operational strengths today and tomorrow.
Our next story, the Panasonic Image Adjust plugin. This is a new plugin for the media production suite, designed to simplify multi-camera production workflows for broadcast and live events. Acting as a software-based remote panel, it enables operators to monitor and adjust image settings for up to 20 Panasonic Studio and PT-Z cameras simultaneously from a PC or a tablet. It gives operators the freedom to manage image control from wherever they work best, reducing reliance on physical hardware panels while maintaining precise control. Let's see the details.
The Image Adjust Pro function provides remote control capabilities for our studio cameras and PT-Z cameras. It allows information from multiple cameras to be displayed on the screen in either a list format or a remote operation panel format, enabling users to check camera status and perform operations such as image quality adjustments. To continue using the function after the trial period ends, it is necessary to purchase a paid license. When the license for the Image Adjust Pro function is valid, the Image Adjust Pro button appears on the left side of the screen. Clicking this button opens the Image Adjust Pro screen. The Image Adjust Pro screen consists of the following three screens. You can switch between them using the tabs at the top of the screen. The Overview screen. This screen displays and follows operation of information from multiple cameras in a list format. The Panel screen. This screen displays and allows operation of information from multiple cameras in an ROP-style format. The Settings screen. This screen is used to configure the operation settings of this function. So here we have the panel view. You can see that I have connected 3 cameras, 2 UE160s and a UCX100. Right up here you have some favorite buttons. You can set these up in this menu. Here you can assign the button function. Simply scroll across and find your favorite function. If you go back to the panel, you will see that the function is now there. The panel view gives you a great overview of what's going on live. If you operate the iris level in the web interface or hardware panel, it will be reflected in the panel view. We can even trigger ND filters if we want to. And again, this goes both ways. Instant communication. Let's say you have adjusted everything you need on one camera. Everything is set up perfectly. And now you simply just want to copy all of these settings to another camera. Let's say that this is your favorite function and you want to add that onto the other camera. The only thing you have to do is that you go to the Overview page and here you can choose Copy. You then choose what camera you want to copy from and then you choose what camera to copy to and simply press Execute. When we go back to the panel view, you will now see that camera 2 has all the settings we got from camera 1, so everything has been copied. In the Overview page, you can choose either to store all your settings or to load them. If you want to store your settings, you can take camera 1 and store this into one of these slots. Maybe you have a best setup or show setup, an A and B setting, and you can then choose these to get back to them later. So let's say that now we want to load our favorite setting. So now I will take this and go to my best setup and put it into these 2 cameras. Now when we go back to the panel view, we can now see that all the parameters have changed. Everything is now set up for my best setup. Instead of loading these settings to individual cameras, you can also load them to a whole group. On the Overview page, you can scroll across and see all the different parameters. It gives you a nice overview to see if something sticks out, if you spot a difference. There are different ways of setting the value. You can either type them in like this, you can also use the scroll wheel, or you can even use the scroll wheel on your mouse. If you're using manual iris, you can even save the values into 2 slots and then change between them. If you want to do some serious color matching, you can go to the paint panel, turn on the matrix and the linear matrix, and then dial in your values. If you spent hours dialing in your perfect setup and you simply want to add it to another camera, you can do so by going to the overview page and use the store function. Press store on camera 1 and name your setup. Now, if you want to load it into another camera, you can use the load function. You simply just choose the one you want to load, press OK and choose which camera you want to add it to. Execute, load. Now we have the same settings on both cameras. If you have 20 cameras and you don't want to choose each camera separately, you can also just choose the group and press execute. So there you have it, the Image Adjust Pro plugin for Media Production Suite. Thanks for watching.
The projector PT-HTQ20 from Panasonic Connect, a compact, high-brightness 4K LCD projector designed for professional visual environments. With 8,000 lumens of brightness and 4K resolution, it delivers clear, detailed images even in well-lit spaces. Let's now see how the PT-HTQ20 is being used in real-world environments. Have you heard about our PT-HTQ20? It's a high-performance 4K RGB laser projector from Panasonic Connect, designed for large-scale environments where brightness, color accuracy, and reliability really matter. With up to 20,000 lumens of output and support for a wide rack 2020 color gamut, it delivers bold, detailed visuals that stay consistent even in demanding high ambient light venues. Do you have difficult installation conditions like dust, humidity, or continuous operation requirements? Then the PT-RQ45K from Panasonic Connect is designed for exactly those environments. It delivers up to 42,000 lumens of brightness, making it suitable for very large venues where high ambient light would normally be a challenge. Combined with 3-chip DLP technology, it produces stable, high-precision 4K imagery with consistent color performance across demanding content. Let's now take a look at PT-RQ45K. And that's all by now. Follow our daily updates on LinkedIn and YouTube, or join us next time as we continue to uncover the latest trends and innovations shaping the future of business. Thank you for watching BIZ News.